Hello guys, how are you all? I am back with my another video which is on business plan. In the first and second part of this this presentation, we have discussed about what is business plan and how we will make a project plan report on business plan. Now today we will discuss about what is market plan. So market plan refers to plan that describe market condition and strategies related to how products and service will be distributed, priced and promoted in the market. So what is market plan? It provides a strategy for accomplishing the company's mission and goal. We will need a good understanding of your industry outlook and target market. Competitive research will show what other business are doing and what their strengths are. So in order in doing the market research, look for the trend and themes. What do successful competitors do? What they does it work? How uh, can you do it in better way? At this stage, it's time to answer these questions. So the marketing plan details the strategy that the company will use to market its product to customers. The plan identifies the target market, the value proposition of the brand or the product, the campaign to be initiated, and metrics to be used to assess the effectiveness of marketing initiatives. Industry analysis. Prior to preparation of market plan, entrepreneurs are required to conduct market analysis section of the business plan. Industry analysis provide information about national and local market that affect the marketing operation of the company. Industry analysis also involve collecting information about competitors which is available in the form of secondary data by newspaper article, websites, catalogs, promotions, interview with distributors, customers, etc. So at this stage, we are going to, before launching a product, we are going to do industry analysis. In which industry we are going to enter. We should have all the information about that industry. Whether we are entering in a FMCG, whether we are entering in a textile industry or a food industry. So we should know all the facts of the industry we are entering. So what are the characteristics and importance of market plan? It should provide strategy for accomplishing the company mission and goal. Our market plan should provide a strategy for accomplishing the goal of the organization which we have set. It must provide for the use of existing resource and allocation of all equipment, financial resource, human resource in the company. Our market plan should also emphasize on the availability of existing resource and their proper utilization and their proper allocation. Equipment and financial resource should be effectively utilized so that the waste could be minimized. It should provide for continuity so that each annual marketing plan can successfully meet long-term goal and objective of the company. It should provide continuity. The market plan should provide continuity, means this year what we have made in our plan should also direct and lead the next coming market plan, so that each annual marketing plan can successfully meet long term goal. Because we are not making a marketing plan for short term only. We are making this marketing plan for long term goal and objective of the company. It should be simple and specific in nature so as to provide appropriate roadmap in terms of planning market strategy for company. So marketing plans should be kept very simple and specific in nature. The objective and goal of the organization should be specific and very simple, explained in a very simple manner in the project plan, so as to provide appropriate road in terms of planning market strategy for the company. It should focus on criteria to be evaluated to assess market success of the company. So our marketing plan should provide a criteria on which basis the result should be evaluated so that the control process will be effective. Next comes the marketing plan. So these are the steps of marketing plan. The first is the defining the business situation. Second is defining the target market, that will emphasis on opportunities and threats of the organization. Then comes the considering strength and weaknesses, establishing goal and objective of the organization, defining market strategy and action program. It will emphasis on product, pricing, distribution and promotion. Then comes the market strategy, then budgeting, market strategy, implementation of market plan, monitoring program of marketing action. Now we will see what are the steps in making market plan. So first step is defining business situation. So firstly we have to define the situation, in which situation our business is going to run. So in this it refers to understand past and present business achievement of new venture. It gives basic insights about scenario persisting in the market, response of customers to new venture in market, and help in predicting customer acceptance of the company product in market. So in situation analysis we should find that what is the target market, what for which for whom we are going to make a product, who are the target audience of this product. Not an easy section, since this is our evaluation of the situation in which our business is going to run. So it is not easy to analysis all the situation and review of the past performance. We in this sections we will make the review of the past performance of the already existing new venture in this field. So it helps in better understanding about the goal of the business and our target audience. It gives basic insight about scenario persisting in market, response of customers to new venture. If we are launching a new product, so we should it is very important to know the response of the customers so that we could focus on the weakness of that product. So next is defining target market. Target market refers to group of potential customers toward which venture aims at market plan. Knowledge of target market will provide basis for determining appropriate market action strategy to meet the need of customers. Target market also include market segmentation, which involves the process of dividing market into definable and measurable groups for purpose of targeting market strategy. Target market is the key element for any business and for the successful marketing strategy. In this portion of our marketing plan, we should list anything and everything you know about your ideal customer. This includes basic demographic information such as age, gender, etc. So while launching a product in the market, we should know for whom we are going to make a product, whether they are a child, whether they are an adult, or they are a senior citizen. So we should make a marketing strategy according to that group. Then considering strength and weakness. Strength of business refers to core area which company is specialized in, which maybe abundance experience of company in similar area of business, and weakness may in terms of production capabilities or layout which permit limited space for equipment and operation. So next, at this stage we will make a SWOT analysis. A clear understanding of SWOT is required for business measures. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, and opportunities and threats. Internal factor usually classified as strength and weakness, and external factors are classified as opportunities and threats. The clear scanning of the internal and external environment is an important part of strategic business process. So any business should know their strength and the weakness. He should continually watch for the opportunities they are getting and the threats of their business. Establishing the goal and objective. We should analyze how do we get there, and how do we make sure that we get there. How do you know if we got there? So to find the answer of this question in our business period, you should always establish the goal and objective of the business so that the control process will be effective. Marketing goal of the company should be clear and specific in nature, as it has to clarify, clearly indicate about nature of the product, target customer, sale promotion, advertising, support, etc. Now, defining market strategy and action plan. It refers to specific activities outlined to meet the venture, business plan objective and goal. Product and service indicates description of the product or service to be marketed in the new venture. So product and services will show you which product we are going to launch in the market. It gives the clear description of everything about the product. Pricing refers to price to be charged for the product in the market, before which company is required to consider various aspects of business such as cost, margin, competition. So while deciding the price of a product, we should consider the cost incurred in manufacturing the product, the margin we should keep for that product, and the competition level in the market. Then comes the distribution. Distribution refers to the means through which the product will be available to the customer in the market, which involves decision relating to nature of the product, distribution channel, middleman, etc. So after deciding the price of the product, we should decide the distribution channel, how we are going to avail the product to the customers, through which channel or through which network we are going to provide this product to each and every customers. Next comes the promotion, refers to the various channel through which the entrepreneur will advertise company product to customers in the market. Then how we will make the promotion of the product, what advertising strategy they should adopt. If the organization is in remote area or it is an urban area, then in every area, every demographic field, there is a different advertising strategy which should work. Every advertising strategy should be according to the demographic features of the plant or factories. Then comes the marketing strategy. It involves understanding the nature of the product and accordingly planning in for marketing product. Entrepreneurs may market consumer product directly to the customers, while manufacturing product are to be sold to business then customers in the market. For example, Dell Computer markets its product both to the customer as well as business people. So what marketing strategy we are going to follow in order to make the product successful? It involves the understanding of nature of the product. What is the nature of the product? For which, for whom, and for how it is made. We should accordingly made our marketing strategy. Entrepreneurs may market consumer product directly. The consumer product is directly made available to the customer, but manufacturing products should be sold to the business, then to the customers in the market. Then comes the budgeting marketing strategy. After drafting marketing plan, entrepreneurs is required to estimate the total expenses to be incurred in the process of implementing market plan. Expenses of marketing plan should be in line with planned expenses of entrepreneur. So budgeting marketing strategy. After drafting a marketing plan, entrepreneur should decide what are the expenses that they have to incur while implementing this market plan. What are the expenses on advertising, what are the expenses on promotion, on distribution, on making a such plan. So next comes the implementation of market plan. Market plan should be implemented in the company, should be informed to the workforce involved in marketing activities. It acts as guiding element to direct on strategy which will make marketing process effective. So at this stage we are going to implement the market plan. Market plan should be implemented in the company, should be informed to the workforce. This market plan should be informed and shown to the workforce of the organization also, because it will guide the workforce to achieve the target of the organization. It will enhance and it will guide in making a strategy and decision by the top management. So marketing progress of marketing action. Marketing of plan involves tracking specific result of marketing efforts. Sales data of product sales data gathered by market survey are few methods of monitoring progress of market plan. So while making a market plan, we have to analyze and we have to see what are the result of this market plan. We should not only focus on making of this market plan, but we should also see the result of this market plan. So this can be the result can be assessed from the market through the sales data of the product. What will be the sales of our product? What is the sales of our product? And what are the data? That the data can be gathered from the market survey. So that's all for today. In this video, I think you all have clearly understood the meaning of market plan and the method we should adopt while making a market plan. So thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.